Hey everyone, in a sector where top-notch technology is sometimes associated with exorbitant pricing, Oukitel distinguishes itself as a reliable brand, committed to providing excellent performance at reasonable costs. Their two upcoming rugged products, the 128 decibels WP36 rugged phone and the 11-inch RT8 rugged tablet, both of which are sold at the Oukitel official store, serve as examples of this dedication. The RT8 rugged tablet builds upon the success of its predecessors with several notable upgrades. One of its standout features is the impressive 11-inch 2K display, which is not only larger than previous models, but also boasts 500 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. This makes it ideal for outdoor use, a crucial factor for users in rugged environments. Powering the RT8 is a massive 20,000 mAh battery that provides an astounding 90 days of standby time, ensuring uninterrupted usage even in remote locations. Under the hood, it houses the powerful Helio G99 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. With 256 GB of built-in storage, users have ample space for storing large files. The RT8 also features a versatile camera setup, including a 48 megapixels main camera, 20 megapixels night vision camera, 5 megapixels macro camera, and a 32 megapixels front camera, catering to various photography needs. Moreover, the RT8 is built to withstand harsh conditions, boasting IP68 and IP69K ratings, along with MIL STD810H certification, making it resistant to water, dust, and drops. On the other hand, the WP36 rugged phone offers an affordable yet innovative solution, with its impressive speaker and battery capacity. Equipped with a 3.5 watts 128 decibels speaker, the WP36 delivers immersive 8D surround sound, enhancing the audio experience for users. Its 10,600 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage, providing up to 7 days of regular use on a single charge. Underneath its rugged exterior lies the Oukitel RT8 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of base RAM, and 128 GB of built-in storage. The WP36 also features a 13 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 5 megapixels front camera for capturing moments on the go. With a durable 6.52-inch Corning Gorilla Glass screen, the WP36 offers both durability and scratch resistance. Like its tablet counterpart, the WP36 is developed to withstand tough conditions, certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings, as well as MIL STD810H certification. The RT8 rugged tablet, featuring an impressive 11-inch 2K display, a powerful Helio G99 chipset, and a massive 20,000 mAh battery, will debut at just $299. This pricing strategy aims to make rugged technology accessible to a wider audience without compromising on performance and durability. Similarly, the WP36 rugged smartphone, with its exceptional audio performance, long-lasting 10,600 mAh battery, and rugged appearance, will be available at an introductory price of just $145. This affordability makes it an attractive option for users who require a durable smartphone with robust features. In conclusion, the RT8 rugged tablet and WP36 rugged phone demonstrate Oukitel's commitment to providing tough devices with excellent performance at reasonable costs, making them the perfect options for consumers who demand durability without sacrificing functionality and features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.